Light is, for me, my parents used to live in a little cottage in the countryside, and I can remember lying by a window, and there is that magnificent few moments of the first bit of light on your face. I used to get in lots of trouble for daydreaming, and I found that daydreaming is an excellent way to see different parts of your brain working. I always thought there was some magical recipe to creating art. In fact, it's not. It's the most simple thing. It's what is in front of our eyes every day. And gardens are great places to discover this, because you walk into a beautiful garden and you're faced with lots of wonderful, interesting forms of nature. And by looking at those, you can be inspired.
Light is a unique marriage of the arts and horticulture. It really, truly is magical, and it is so in keeping with the beauty that we create 365 days every year. I hope that people take away inspiration. All of our guests are going to see Longwood in a much, much different way.
There might be a child, just one child, who it might change their life in a better way. And if you do that, that is all you need to do.